Good morning, students. You are all welcome to workshop of University College of Engineering. And today we are all present in our sheet metal shop. Sheet metal shop is important part of workshop practice, and sheet metal is associated with working of thin sheets, metallic sheets, with the help of hand tools and simple machines. While doing work in sheet metal shop, it is necessary to know the working of hand tools and machines, simple machines. Sheet metal find their application in a variety of work in houses, agriculture implements, transport, etc. In sheet metal shop, we use variety of sheets that are ferrous steel sheets, non-ferrous sheets, and steel sheets are further subdivided into categories: coated sheet and uncoated. Coated sheets are galvanized and uncoated sheets are plain sheets. Now, the we use sheets are defined further. First are steel sheets, mild steel. Mild steel sheets, due to uncoating, these sheets are non-resistant to corrosion. By protecting by paint, these sheets are used for making water tanks, fabrication, and agriculture implements. Now, further, we go to stainless steel sheets. This was silver chrome appearance and have high grade steel with chromium, nickel, and traces of magnesium. The stainless steel sheets are easily welded. It is used in dairy, food processing plants, etc. Now we move further and galvanized iron sheets, also known as GI sheets. And in our sheet metal shop, we use GI sheets. It is a soft steel sheets coated with zinc. Due to zinc coating, these are corrosion resistant. Welding is not easy on GI sheets, and these sheets are used for making AC ducts, roof flushing, boxes, buckets, coolers, etc. Now, tin sheets. Steel or iron coated with tin is called tin sheets. Simply, when sheets of iron, tin plates are used for making food containers, dairy furnaces, fitting. These are now replaced by stainless steel, aluminium, and other material. In sheet metal shop, while making a job, the main operations are miring and marking. Miring and marking is the first operation. Second is layout. Third is hand cutting and sharing. Fourth is nibbling. Nibbling is done with the help of nibbling machine. Hand forming, edge forming, bending, and rifting. Now we come to our first point, that is miring and marking. Sheets in market come in big sizes, but the size required by us is according to our job. So the big sheets is cut into smaller pieces according to our drawing or our component. The size is first marked on the large sheet. Marking is done with the help of marking tools. Now, after marking, remember to give little allowance for cutting. All our cutting is perfect so that the cut piece is not undersized. In miring and marking, now in sheet metal shop, we use miring and marking tools. We use different types of miring tools like steel rule, steel scare, divider, bevel protector. These are all miring tools. With the help of these tools, first we mark our dimensions on the sheet before moving further. Steel rules are available in variety of sizes. The rule should be steel foot rule, folding rule, or tape rule. Steel scale is L-shaped scale. It is used for making square corners and checking and making right angles. This is wire gauge, sheet wire gauge. Here is numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, and in opposite side it is given in mm's. 1 means here is 1 and it means 7.62 mm. It is used for measuring the thickness of sheets. First step is marking. After marking, we goes to our first step is measuring, and after doing measuring we goes to marking, and marking tools are: first is scrubber. It is steel wire of 20 mm length with one end sharp and hardened to make lines on metallic sheet. Scrubbers are used for making lines on metallic sheets. We also have dividers. Dividers are used for making marking on sheets. Punches. We have mainly used two types of punch. This is center punch and this is prick punch. Center punch is used for making the location of point and the center of hole to be drilled. It is tapered point is grounded to 90-degree inclined angle. Prick punch. It is used for making a dentation mark for locating the center position for dividers, having inclined angle of 30 degree. We also used markers. These are permanent markers, and markers are used to highlighten the lines and points that are marked by scrubber and divider, because these lines are not visible, and with the help of marker we visible the lines clearly. Now the second steps of our main operations are layout. Layout means scribbling the drawing of the component on the sheet together with the added allowances for overlapping, bending, etc., which when cut out of the sheet and folded and joined will give required component. This is our drawing and box which we are required. All the dimensions are in mm. First we have to cut major dimension, that is 290 and 210 mm from the our blank of the sheet. After layouting we come to our third point, that is hand cutting and shearing. As you see, it is hand cutting. The tool is used by the help of hand and are simple tools. Cutting and shearing means cutting the desired shape out of the blank sheet. Cutting is done with the number of tools. Mainly for cutting sheets we use straight snips. This is our straight snip. For cutting straight lines we used straight snip. It is used to cut 22 wire gauge or lighter. Straight snip is used for cutting straight lines. Like this. This is cut with the help of straight snip. Straight. To cut sheets of thickness more than 22, we used shearing machine. This is our shearing machine, and this is foot operated for cutting sheets. For cutting sheets, in shearing machine, the force used to cut the piece is shear force, and it is foot operated. Now, after straight snip, we come to chisels. Chisels are also cutting tool, generally used in sheet metal shop for cutting rivets and bolts. These are hollow punch. When circular holes are cut in the sheets, this hollow punch is used for thin sheets. The sheet should be placed on the wood or thick block to avoid clipping of edges to the punch. Now students, we come to our fourth point, that is nibbling. Nibbling operation is done with the help of nibbling machine. Nibbling machine is the electrical operated hand machine and used for cutting irregular shapes. Like this.